Alright then, welcome to another weekend on Lunar. A bit wet today, but it's not probably the best job I could have been picking to do on a weekend like this, but it's what it is. So today I'm going to test fit engine. When I mean test fit, basically I've got to put hot stern gear in, Vetus water cooled stern gear. Lift engine in, and then basically mark out holes where it needs drilling, and then I can lift it out, decide where I want to run pipes and weld some brackets in. Some battery will want welded in, and then water tank, that's going in engine bay, so that'll have to be, I've got to order that yet, like, and then get some brackets welded, and then it can all be painted, and then engine can go back in. So that's what I'm doing today. So I'll leave you to watch a bit, and hope it's not too boring for you, but it is what it is. So first off, I've got to get bearing into right, that went in easy enough. I'll be back in a minute. So there's just a retaining, an Allen bolt that just holds it in place, stops it spinning. I'll just nip that up. Right, that's that done. Right, so hopefully you can see from up there. So I'm just going to put shaft in. It's I'll let you know what it is. So it's an SS stainless steel shaft, 35mm, metre long. So no doubt it'll probably won't cutting down, but at the minute I just need it for lining it up. I'm not sure which way it goes in, to be fair. Keyway, I'll have to pull the key out if I want to put it in this way, so I'll go try it from back, see if it goes in. I don't really want to pull the rudder off if I can help it. It ain't going in that way. Key. That's key out. So that's Vetus water cooled, water lubricated, whatever way you call it. I mean, it all wants greasing up and everything, but it's only, like I say, a temporary fit, so it's only just a matter of putting it on, seeing what one's cutting down, if shaft wants cutting down, which is more than likely gonna do. But yeah. That's that bit. Right, I'll get engine on end at chains, on end at forks, and I'll fetch you back, get it all set back up. Right. Right, so I've got it all strapped on forklift. I'm just taking pallet off now, so just then I've got to put engine mounts on it. Great, that's pallet off. Them's engine mounts. I've got Vetus ones, so they come with engines, so I'm assuming they're right. Maybe anyway. So I'm just levelling out. There's loads of adjustments on them, but there's only so much. You can have engine as high or as low as necessary, but to tilt the engine, there's only so many degrees, so many millimetres you can have. So, but I'm just setting them all level at the minute, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Hey, so our Foxys, you just made me a cup of tea, cup of coffee. I thought a kettle had brought for a minute, or we'd run out of gas or something. Anyway, I had one for hours. So that's all mounts are on. Just got to nip that one up, lift it in, mark holes, see what needs cutting off at prop if out at all, but I'm pretty sure it does. Line it all up, and then lift it back out and put it back on pallet. Alright, I'll get camera set back up where you can see what's happening. It'd be alright if I could see what I was doing. I have to get Foxy out. Gonna have to get Foxy out at van. Give me an hand. This isn't happening. Right, so I've just given Foxy a quick crash course in how to drive a JCB telly truck. So she's gonna lower engine in for us. Right, see how it goes. Hello! Should be able to see it that. Right, push it forward, go down. Pull it back towards you. Keep going! Right, go on down! Down! Right, so we've got it in. It's just it's got to come back out in a bit, but it's in for now anyway. Right, I'll go and turn the forklift off. Right, go up! Pull that lever back! Go on! Right, that'll do! Turn the ignition key off! Your right hand, near the steering wheel! Right, just a pity it can't stay in. But there'll be a day that it can, it's just it's not today. Right, so I've got engine somewhat light, but I've just finished levelling it up and what have you, but I need to get this on. So basically, what is it now? It's a Vetus flexible coupling bull flex number 8, shaft 38mm, just in case you were wondering. And it's heavy. And so back. Right, I'm gonna have to mark it. This engine's fouling up on engine bearers, so I'm gonna have to cut a bit out of engine bearers to get this thing to drop down far enough to work. Which wasn't expected, but it is what it is, I suppose. Right, I'll fetch you back in a bit. Right, so I've marked all holes up, I've lined it all up. I've lined it up like for twist, but I can't line it up for up and down because I'm going to have to cut some engine bearing out, but that's by and by. It's like I've marked what I need to cut. It's not a lot, but it just won't allow the engine to go down enough to put drive shaft. So that's about it for engine. So I've got Foxy back on forklift, so she's going to lift it out for me while I just guide it out. And then I can drill and cut and sort out for all the rest of the pipe work, pulling all brackets in, battery mounting brackets. In fact, I just thought of exhaust. Better sort that out first, or I'm going to have to redo that one after. Right, so I'm going to tell her she's visiting van. Get in! Sorry! Nearly forgot exhaust. I need to mount, see where that needs mounting, because that'll need a support welding in. So what we got? Right then, so I've got everything mocked up now. Oh, where engine mounts are going to be bolted. They're all marked, all just one drill in. Exhaust, I've marked where that's going. I've marked engine bearers where I've got to cut a little bit out. It's not a lot, but it's just, you know, just enough so engine will drop down a bit, like I said. So that's pretty much it. So get engine out, put it back on its pallet and put it away while I need it again. When all this is got weldings done, painted and what have you. So, yep, so, right, I'll get Foxy to lift it back out. Right, go on then, Foxy. Hang on, get back out. Oh, don't matter. You need to start it. Hang on. Right, go on then, get in. You'll have to start it up, and then it's just that big lever, just pull it slowly.
Back?
Yeah, towards you. Just turn key and it'll start. Ready? Open door. Open door so you can hear me. Right, pull the big lever towards you. No, towards you. It goes in 4 directions. Right, pull it towards you. Right. Now go up, pull it back. Stop. Go on, up, up. Stop. Go down a bit. Right, up, up. Right, on in there. Oh no! Right, I'll get engine back on pallet and get on with something else then. Probably drill an hole inside the boat for exhaust to come through.